5 Insider a couple months ago, and we've had great results. We have a candy club, and all of our loyal customers love it. They check in every time they come in, and it's really brought a lot of repeat business back. I've noticed that people are saying really positive things about it, and I would highly recommend it. We love it. In order to check in here at Kingston's, you have to spend $5, and we've noticed people will be at $3 or $4, maybe $2, and they say, oh, I have to get to $5 to check in. So it is actually increasing our sales here in the store. We did a deal for Valentine's Day where you spend $20 to get a free gift, and we had quite a few people respond to it, and we're really excited about doing another one.